Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. This is my video marathon for the month of December. I hope you guys are well. I hope you guys are having an amazing holiday season. I just received my Walmart beauty box for the month of December. I'll pop deets here, but the basic premise is for roughly $9. They just did a small price increase. You get a little collection of makeup, hair, skin, etc. I have gotten the Walmart beauty box off and on for quite a few years. It is one of the most affordable kind of subscriptions that I'm aware of. I like that they went with really pretty like green kind of Christmassy holiday packaging. It's normally in a blue box. And I like that in here we get a lot of newer releases. There's obviously drugstore things and stuff like that. So yeah, I normally feel like it's a really good bang for the buck. All right. We have our little card here. And then we have like it, love it, take a quick survey. It kind of gives us pertinent details. It generally tells us what's in here. I'll give y'all a little quick sneak peek. All right, right on top. Oh, it already sounds amazing. We have the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula with vitamin E and the Tahitian Vanilla Cream. Antioxidant rich for silky smooth skin. That sounds amazing. And it's a kind of mixture and a blend of like some full-size items and then some samplers and stuff like that. Next up from Good Molecules, we have the Hydrating Facial Cleansing Gel. Okay. Next up, oh, I'm seeing some good stuff, y'all. We have the Jergens Vanilla Crush Shea Fusion Cozy Vanilla Toasted Almonds and Warm Sugar. It is a scented body lotion. Do I feel like we needed a body lotion and a cream? Which definitely they're generally, a cream is very thick, rich, dense, and a lotion is kind of, you know, lesser rich, I guess. I don't know if we needed both. However, I do like the fact that they are gearing towards winter. It is a winter box, so I like that we're getting stuff to hydrate and quench our body. Next up, oh, I need this, and my husband could use this for sure. This is the Aveeno Skin Relief Healing Ointment, Repair and Protect with Glycerin for dry, cracked, and sensitive skin. He does work outdoors, he does construction, and his hands will crack and bleed and all that kind of stuff, so I think I'm going to gift that to him. Next up, something I already know and love and have used up in the past. This is the Dove Body Scrub, the Himalayan Salt and Rose Oil. It looks kind of gross, not gonna lie. It always looks like that to me too. But this is fantastic. And I like that the texture of this, sometimes a physical exfoliant, whether for your face or for your body, they can be a little bit too granular, too grainy, too aggressive, too rough. This almost, to me, feels more like wet sand consistency. And I think that's why I like this one, because I do have very, very dry skin. So of course it's important to exfoliate. However, I don't want to strip my skin. And I feel like this does a great job of, you know, really exfoliating without over drying and stripping my skin. Love it. Next up, what are you? This is the Essence Hydra Kiss Lip Oil in Kiss from a Rose. Ooh, that sounds nice. Based on it being kind of more pinky down there, I'm wondering if this is like supposed to be like a pH one. I have a stain on my lips, so I really can't tell you if it's going to change color. Love the gigantic doe foot applicator. If you know, you know. Let me just kind of put some right here. Ooh, that texture feels nice. Not seeing anything, so maybe it doesn't. Maybe it's just an oil. Hydra Gloss Lip Oil. I'm wondering why it's so pink at the bottom though. And a lot of times that pink literally just never shows up. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything. Ooh. That smells just like roses, but very soft. If you have an aversion to rose, you're gonna absolutely hate this. The texture is slightly thicker, not sticky or anything like that, but I just mean that it has a little bit of grip to it, a little bit of hold to it. So I feel like when you put it on, it's gonna last a long time. Non-sticky. I think I'm gonna like that. I like rose, and I like that it's subtle rose, but if you do not like rose, baby, that is not for you. And then last up in my box is a full size of the Proactive Stage 1 Cleanse Renewing Cleanser with benzoyl peroxide acne medication. This is not something I personally like or want to see because I feel like it's kind of very niche. You know, like I don't have acne. A lot of beauties that I kind of know that do subscription boxes and stuff like that. Also, most of us, most of my friends, most of the people that I kind of follow on social media, we're older. And not to say that you can't get the occasional breakout, but I would have maybe liked to seen something a little bit different. I am going to pass this along to my son, so it's not going to go to waste. But yeah, not my favorite, but I'm happy to see a ton of skincare. I'm happy to see things to nourish, you know, our lips and our skin and stuff like that. Exfoliation products. I'll run that down and talk some deets really quickly. This is the Walmart Beauty Box Cold Weather Beauty Edit. And I do like that we get informational pamphlets. I like that Allure Beauty Box does that. I like that Walmart Beauty Box does it. And I like that IPSY does it, but they only do it with the original. I wish they would do it with every single box. I want to know what everything is. I want to know pricing and stuff like that. So first up, we have our Essence, the Hydra Kiss Lip Oil. This is $5. Say goodbye to dry, chapped lips and hello to supple, moisturized perfection with Essence Hydra Kiss Lip Oil. This lip oil not only provides intense hydration, but also adds a high gloss finish. I agree. It's beautiful. And a hint of color. I can attest to that. Maybe it's got the most subtle little whisper of blushy pink you've ever seen in your life. I don't know yet. A high gloss finish and a hint of color for a stunning pout. It nourishes your lips with hyaluronic acid, jojoba oil, vitamin E, and meadow foam oil for a non-sticky formula that ensures a flawless, kissable look. So far I agree. I kind of would have liked to get like a different shade, even though I'm completely fine with something that's very sheer, because then I can also wear it at nighttime. But I'm thrilled by this. It's going right here in my top drawer. And if you know, you know. And then here is a little peek of everything. Okay, so next up, it doesn't really give us deets per se. It just says Proactive Solution Renewing Cleanser. It is a full size for $25. The Aveeno Skin Relief Healing Ointment for dry, cracked skin. The 2 ounce of this would be $5.97, and this is 0.4 ounces. They also have a 7.2 fluid ounce for $12.97. The Jergens Shea Fusion Vanilla Crush Scented Lotion. The full size would be $7.47. We got our little sachet of the Good Molecules. The Good Molecules Hydrating Facial Cleansing Gel. The full size would be $11.97. We got our sachet here. Palmer's Tahitian Vanilla Moisture Drenching Body Cream. Full size would be $13.97 for 8.8 fluid ounces, or 8.8 ounces. And I like that maybe this is a newer product. Like I said, a lot of times it's like kind of newer releases and stuff. And then we have our Dove Exfoliating Body Scrub with Himalayan Salt and Rose Oil. A full size would be $7.97 for 15 ounces. This is 3.5 ounces. And then of course it says balanced skin starts here, and it kind of gives us pertinent details and things like that. So yeah, again, for roughly $8-ish, I still think it's a great value. I do wish this was maybe just something different, and not to say that you can't use this if you don't have acne. I have dry skin, and my point earlier was like most of the people that I know that are more my age and stuff like that, a lot of us do have drier skin, and or we're kind of past the point of getting like daily breakouts and acne and stuff like that. Now baby, 17-year-old me, 16-year-old me, 14-year-old me would have loved this. But I do like that it is a full size. I just would have liked to seen something a little bit different, because if I use something like this, it's going to dry my skin out. I like that we got a lot of hydrating, like exfoliating type of things. So yeah, I like the overall blend. I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5. Not blowing my socks off, but for, you know, an $8 or $9 price point, I think it's fine. I think it's great. And again, I do like the selection in terms of if it says winter box to me, I want it to actually have winter-esque products in it, if that makes any sense. But yeah, let me know what you guys thought of this box. What are some of your favorite subscription boxes? And let's see, holiday question of the day. Ooh, Christmas trees, real or fake? Comment down below. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.